In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk add people to a cloud team roster in Microsoft Teams using a browser extension. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to teams.microsoft.com. Once Microsoft Teams loads in your browser, navigate to the team roster list view for the team you want to update. This is the area where you can see the current members of your team. Make sure you're in the correct team before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one, because the next actions will apply to the roster you currently have open. Once you're in the right place, look over to the sidebar and click the apps icon. From there, use the search function to find the official web tool app extension block called Refined Microsoft Teams. Take a moment to confirm that you found the correct listing, since similarly named tools can sometimes appear in search results. You want the extension that matches the name exactly. After you've located it, install the browser utility extension from the store repository grid. Depending on your browser and system settings, you may see a confirmation prompt before the installation finishes. If that happens, simply approve the installation so the tool can be added to Chrome. When the extension is installed successfully, give Teams a moment to recognize the new integration. In some cases, refreshing the page can help if the added functionality does not appear right away. Next, return to your team and click the three-dot More Options menu for that team. After the extension has been integrated, you should now see access to a bulk input text window. Open that field carefully, since this is where you'll prepare to add multiple users at once instead of entering them one by one. This can save a lot of time when you're onboarding a large group. Now paste your full list of user email addresses into the bulk input field. The list can be formatted as either semicolon separated or comma separated, so use whichever format your source file already contains. Before you submit it, it's a good idea